I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 15-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner. Now I've done a lot of vacuum cleaners, but not a 15-in-1, so I'm excited to try all of these out. It's got all of the different things to be able to do on here, on how to put it together. Packaged great. I love that they've given you a bag to be able to put all of the attachments in. That's something I have not seen, so that is nice. Now going through all of it, it does come with 2 batteries, so that will be nice that you can actually go up to 110 minutes of runtime. I'm going to get all of this stuff out, and then we will get it tried out. But you have so many different things. Flexible tubes to be able to spread it out further, get into different crevices. You've got an extension piece. You've got another little crevice area here with the brush on the side. Be able to go through and move this up and down. Then you have nice little bristles there, or you can get in between things. You've got extra filters. I mean, this thing seems to have so much stuff. Here is your traditional brushless end here, so it just rolls right around. It doesn't have anything to get anything caught, so that is really nice. You've got a nice clear area at the top. Here's just some more of the pieces here. There's just a smaller one, be able to get some lint off. So this piece is actually really interesting. This is actually for getting dryer lint out. So I love that, because that is something I always struggle with, is to get down in the dryer and get all that lint out. Now I have a way to do it with this nice long flexible tube that can get down in there. Here is your extra battery. Now all of this comes with a nice wall mounted charger, so you can just hang it up on the wall, charge it, and it comes with the hardware to be able to hang it up, and a little cleaner, so if you did get any hair stuck in there, you can easily tear that out. And here is your main piece right here. So you do have an additional little cover here to be able to put on there if you ever did have problems with that for the filter. It just comes right off, you can clean it up, and it slides back on. So this is super simple to put together. Just to do like a floor, you've got your floor piece, it all just clicks in. So you have your nice extender piece, and then you've got your main unit here. Set clicks in. Now this is completely adjustable, so you can raise it up based on your height. Then you get it started, you've got the little button right here. You turn it on, it has your percentage of battery life right here. And then on the very top, you actually have your different modes to make it go at a higher speed. So then as you're going, you've got a nice green light there to be able to help guide you as you are going through the floor. And then it picks everything up really nicely. Whenever you're finished, switch it out. You just say, all right, next item. You go to the next one, and you can easily click on the next thing to be able to say, vacuum off your sofa, get your beds cleaned off, anything like that. This is really nice and convenient. When you're all finished, you've got your dustbin right here to empty it out, charge it up. You've got your battery packs right here, put it up on the wall, and it is ready to go. It's got a 45 kPa, so it's a nice suction on here, the nice big tank. This would be great for so many different purposes.